Get Video Views. You'll now click on Get Video Views. With the Video Views objective, you'll be able to promote videos that show behind-the-scenes footage, product launches, or customer stories to raise awareness for your brand. You'll be able to name your campaign right away. Then click on Continue. You'll be able to see the Audience section again. You'll see up to 5 placement options available to get your video views. There, you'll also see the option to choose mobile devices. The Budget and Schedule section is the same as usual. In Advanced Options, for optimization for advert delivery, you can decide to deliver by video views or by daily unique reach. For bid amount, you can choose between automatic or manual as well. For when you are charged, you can choose to be charged by impression or by 10-second video view. For advert scheduling, you may find it disabled because you already set that up in the schedule step. In delivery type, you can choose standard or accelerated as usual. Finally, you can give your advert set a name. You can use the default one or change it if you want. Then click on Continue. Here you'll see a new area, which is the video area, where you'll choose the video that you'd like to use in your adverts. You can upload a video, use one from your library, or create a slideshow that plays as a video. On the right side, you'll see the recommended video specs, which is very important to pay attention to. I will pick the Create a Slideshow option, which is the easier one. Here, you can add and edit images, set the duration, and add transitions for your slideshow. Since the recommended aspect ratio is widescreen 16:9, we recommend you use images of that size. You can set the total number of seconds that you show each image in your slideshow. You can also choose how your slideshow switches from one image to the next. Then, go down and click on the plus button to add your images. You can upload them or use the ones from your image library. You can add up to 7. You can even change the order of the images. Then, you can preview your slideshow. Finally, you can click on Create Slideshow. After a few seconds, your slideshow will be created. You can choose a preview image from the thumbnails. You can even add video captions by uploading an SRT file. Then, in the text area, you'll see your Facebook page, as well as your Instagram account connected. You can add some text, add a website URL, a display link, a headline, a newsfeed link description, and a call to action. In the Advanced area, you can also assign URL parameters and a pixel tracking. In the Advert Preview, you'll see exactly how your ad will look on the desktop newsfeed, mobile newsfeed, on Instagram, Audience Network, and on the right column. Finally, you can review your order and click on Place Order.